Had an awesome week with the OLSP system. And only 3 spots left to the traffic rotator. I made multiple sales and it's doing pretty great. I'm gonna be starting this campaign this week, thinking of Thursday or Friday or so, but it's definitely happening. So and people respond greatly to my campaign. So if you want to make sales like this, and share the Facebook group, or like many others in the Facebook group, as you can see here, they definitely need to join the OLSP system. Now, before I continue, this is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. So for the OLSP system, made $112.90. And as you can see here, so many commissions are paid out to many members. You already see in the Facebook group. So OLSP system, very simple for the absolute beginner. As soon as you join, I always recommend to do the Common Denominator Pro if you want to get commissions, especially if it's just 25 cents, and it adds up to the overall commissions. Pretty much go here and see I made $2 so far for this one. It'll add up to my main commissions. I did 9 comments, and I need to complete these other ones too. So I complete these other ones, and I go under my comments. It shows here one more is pending, so I should be able to get another 25-cent sale. It's the only program that does that too. We can guarantee sales, something like this, backed by proof. And this is before even referring this to anybody. The other members have really made sales just doing this alone, and taking advantage of list building with a magic link. And matter of fact, my get response, like all the traffic is going to my get response. Let me see my get response. See how much I got on my list so far, because I'm doing an ongoing traffic with my contacts. Yep, I got about 73 people. And it's going to continue every single month of 100 clicks. I'm going to get 100 clicks because I took advantage of the monthly clicks and the automatic traffic to my magic link. The magic link where anybody who touches the magic link, the person will get a sale, and it's like 30 cents per click, and I usually make about like $3.60. But when I did the free 100-click campaign at the beginning, I got about $13. And I'm going to show you my commission results, the background for that. So, yeah, like getting sales nonstop right here. Like, I had a really good week. Like around February 7th and February 8th, back-to-back sales. And literally have 4 pages of sales now. It's crazy. 4 pages of sales. It's all over the place. I can't recommend this system enough. It's really insane. It's really exciting. And what I'm gonna do is gonna be I even have a sequence for the traffic rotator. I basically have like rotating links going to these emails, and if anybody didn't join like the program the first time, where they can join. Have plenty of opportunities to join with by going through these emails. And my idea is to have multiple links of affiliates that join, like the traffic campaign, to help them get sales. So I'm going to be going all over social media. So I'm going to be doing organic traffic, pretty much like how I promote my links. And I'm helping you to get sales on this one. And there's a big reason why you definitely want to join the team builder. We get 200% commissions. And I encourage anyone to do something like this. Do a traffic rotator and you can get double the sales for helping out people. And I'm going to do a more in-depth video on the team builders in a future video, so stay tuned for that one. You're going to like this one, and it's worth the price. There's like a monthly fee, and then there's a lifetime one too you can take advantage of. So like this, like webinars of this, they have the live training that goes around, talk about the high ticket, and you definitely want to dive into something like this. It's really worth it, and you can see why many people are making a lot of sales to this too, even without it. And including the magic link, this is like another $7 program. You can take advantage of the free traffic, the 100-click traffic, which I got $13 from. $13, and that's not even the $7 sale I get for referring to people. So I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth look on this one too as well. So expect a video on that one, the magic link, pretty soon. Maybe my next video. If you like what you see and you have a megaton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below to get access to the OSP system and take advantage of the traffic rotator campaign. So without further ado, peace.